Well, well, well. Look at this beautiful machine. And I'm about to go for a ride. What a blessing. Here we go. No cars, no people. Just me in Williamsburg. Ladies, gents, welcome to another vloggy vlog. This son of a potato bread basket DHL truck. Thank you. And on the next block here, there's a huge pothole of hell. Yep. Look at this shit. I'm glad they put those cones over it. But anyway, yeah. Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Guess what today is? Today is Friday. And I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this vlog. Maybe never, maybe fucking tomorrow, who knows. But today is the first day of MotoGP free practice. It has begun. The spring has sprung. MotoGP is back on that motherfucker. And everybody's very, very happy. I am very happy. Oh, the wind is not very happy though. Go ahead, lady. You got it. Go ahead. Do, 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 do. Do, do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Anyway, yeah, so MotoGP is starting. What does that mean to you and I? That means we get to watch motorcycle racing once again. So it's a very exciting thing. Also, who's gonna win? Marcus? Vinales? Who's gonna win this time? Fucking Rossi, man. I want Rossi to win, but I know Rossi. Rossi is a bad motherfucker. Rossi is a performer. Rossi is an athlete. But Rossi is also 39 years old. He just re-signed a contract with Yamaha for 2 more years. So now he's going to be on the roster to 2021 or 2020. And he already said that his VR46 MotoGP team will not start till 2021, which pretty much means he is scheming on his retirement in 2021. And I want Rossi to win a couple of races. And today he was very competitive in free practice 1. I haven't watched it, but the rumor around the campfire is that he finished second after Dovi, the Miotto, on his Ducati. So yeah, don't write Rossi off. Rossi will win a couple of races. I'm just not so sure if he will win the whole goddamn enchilada. The whole goddamn enchilada. Here we go. That was that was an aggressive move. That's what I meant to say. And here we are. Anywho, boys and girls, I mean, this is a quick little vlog. It was I kept fucking gunning at this vlog. I don't know why. I'm just really feeling the old throttle twister. So There's that. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.